m minus 1 all over 1 minus m equal to 1. This is our given equation. We will have to find the value of m. How to find the value of m? Let's see the solution. First of all, we will have to write our given equation, that is m minus 1 all over 1 minus m equal to 1. Then this equation can be written as m minus 1 all over 1 minus m equal to 1 over 1. Now we will have to apply the rules of cross multiplication. Therefore, 1 times m minus 1 multiplying m minus 1 by 1 equal to 1 minus m times 1. Multiply 1 minus m by 1. Now 1 times m, that is m minus 1 equal to 1 times 1, that is 1 minus m times 1, that is minus m. Therefore m plus m, taking minus m left hand side equal to 1 plus 1, taking minus 1 right hand side. Therefore 2m equal to 1 plus 1, that is 2. Now dividing both sides by 2. Therefore 2m over 2 equal to 2 over 2. This 2 over 2 will be cancelled. 2 over 2 will be cancelled. Therefore m equal to 1. This is our required solution of the given equation. Now we will have to verify this value of m is either correct or not. Therefore, let's verify. Our given equation is m minus 1 all over 1 minus m equal to 1. Now we will have to put the value of m, that is 1, in the above equation. Therefore 1 minus 1 all over 1 minus 1 equal to question mark 1. 1 minus 1, 0 over 0 equal to question mark 1. 0 over 0, which is undefined. Not equal to 1. Therefore, the given equation has no solution. This is our required answer. Please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like my videos. Thank you.